I'm Nate Mercer. This is War Brief Daily for July 19th, 2026. Here's the short version. One theater actually moved in the last 24 hours. Russia and Ukraine traded long-range strikes, and everything else stayed quiet. We're not padding the Middle East, Sudan, or the Indo-Pacific tonight. If nothing real happened there, we're not going to pretend it did. First update. Ukraine's drone campaign hit deep inside Russia. Regional officials say at least 8 people were killed and dozens wounded across western Russia, with the worst damage in Elektrostal, Moscow Oblast. A wild berries warehouse struck, 1 dead, 37 injured. That's an official Russian claim, and it's credible that the strikes happened. What's not confirmed is Ukraine's stated rationale, that the site was tied to drone production and navigation equipment. Call that an official claim, damage assessment pending. What else changed? Russian officials also reported Ukrainian strikes reaching the Sea of Azov and Black Sea areas. No coordinates, no confirmed target types. That's Moscow acknowledging incoming fire, not Kyiv's claims of effect being verified. Keep those separate. Why it matters. This wasn't about one warehouse. It's about reach. Ukraine is forcing Russian air defense to cover dispersed regions far from the front line, and that stretches resources thin. A warehouse can be commercial, dual use, or military. Don't assume which one this was without independent evidence. Second update, and Russia answered. Odesa's governor says a large strike hit port infrastructure. 1 dead, 3 injured, facilities damaged. Confirmed impact on casualties, but the weapons used and the scope of port disruption aren't independently detailed yet. This is sustained pressure on Ukraine's maritime export lifeline. Watch for port data or satellite imagery showing whether this was a dent or a real interruption. On the ground, no verified territorial change today. If you see a map update claiming a village flipped, that's a single source claim until it's geolocated. Same standard for downed aircraft or destroyed air defense systems. Middle East, Sudan, and the Sahel, Indo-Pacific. No sufficiently verified operational change in this window. That's not silence from me, that's the actual picture. What to watch next? Russian intercept totals. Independent confirmation on what those Russian sites actually were. Port status out of Odesa, and whether Moscow answers with a larger strike package. That's the operating picture for July 19th. No spin, no noise, just intel. That's your War Brief Daily for July 19th. I'll see you in the next brief.